APIs are the backbone of web development, and as a developer, you are bound to build applications that use APIs in one way or another over the span of your career. Here's a breakdown of the parts of an API call. First is the endpoint. It's the starting point of the API call and represents the address of the server where the API is running on. Next is the HTTP method. It defines the action to perform on the server's resources. The most commonly used are get, post, put, and delete. Next are the headers. Headers provide additional information about the request, like authentication tokens, content type, and other metadata. Next are the query parameters. They are typically added to the end of the endpoint after a question mark and are separated by ampersand. Next is the request body. It is the data sent to the server and is typically used with post and put requests. Finally, we have the response from the API call. It typically includes a status code, headers, and a response body. The status code indicates whether the request was successful or not, while the response body contains any data returned by the server. Follow Umoko's for more coding tips like this.